Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can send money from Sofi to PayPal, so let's get started. First, need to get your Sofi account details. To do this, open the Sofi app and tap on the Banking tab. Then, click on the More option in the top right corner. Here, you'll see your routing number and account number listed next to your account type. If you have a checking account, it will appear at the top, and if you also have a savings account, its details will be shown below. Note down your routing number and account number. Next, go to the PayPal website and log into your account. From the top menu, click on Payment Methods. On this screen, select Link a Bank. Enter your Sofi account number and routing number, then click Link your bank. Once your Sofi account has been successfully linked to PayPal, you'll be able to transfer funds. To do that, go to your PayPal dashboard and click on Transfer Money, which you'll find right under your balance. From the options that appear, select Add Money to your balance. On the next screen, choose the Sofi bank account you linked earlier, then click Next. Enter the amount you want to transfer from Sofi to PayPal, click Next again, and confirm the transaction. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.